A very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and healthy at home. Dear students, welcome to this class of science. Today we are going to learn something very interesting. Our topic is food. Where does it come from? Oh, I am very hungry. What should I eat? Yes, food. We all eat food items at regular intervals. First of all, tell me, what did you eat today? Good one. Find out what your friend ate today. Did you eat same kind of food yesterday and today? Let's find out through an interesting activity. The name of activity is What do we eat? You have to write down the food item that you and your friend have eaten today at different times. For this, you have to make a table. Suppose there is a boy named Rahul. He has milk, bread, roti and dal during breakfast and lunch. His friend Sandhya eats rice, idli and sambar. One of his friend Vijay has paratha, pickle and tea today. His best friend Ankita told him that she ate egg and chicken with milk. Can you tell me who is a non-vegetarian amongst them? Do you know that we all eat different kind of food at different times? We have just concluded this in our last activity. All were having different kind of food. There is lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India. Let's see a video to feel the variety of food in India. After the video, I will give you a task.
India, a delicious tool. We start from Delhi, India's capital city. Here you will see the Red Fort, Shah Jahan's famous citadel. And how can you miss the favorite bird of Delhi? Yes, the butter chicken. Agra, the home of eternal symbol of love, the Taj Mahal. Agra is also famous for its melt-in-mouth, gooey petha sweet. Varanasi or Banaras is the spiritual capital of India and is famous for its ghats. The thandai of this city is an Indian version of the milkshake or smoothie. Victoria Memorial of Kolkata is now a museum and a famous tourist destination. Kolkata is also famous for its spongy rasagollas. Puri, famous for its Lord Jagannath temple. also serves delicious dalma, a dish made of dal and vegetables. The pearl city of Hyderabad houses the Grand Charminar, and the biryani of this city is simply the best in the world. Chennai, the temple town of southern India, has the famous Kapileshwar temple. And don't forget to relish the sumptuous dosa with sambar and chutney. Kochi, the spice port of India, has magnificent Santa Cruz Basilica. Avial, rice and papadam on banana leaf platter is a delightful treat. The Vidhan Sauda is a masterpiece of Neo-Dravidian architecture. And these Mysore bondas, or fried dumplings of Bangalore, are simply divine. The Catholic Church of Varka in Goa is a splendid sample of Portuguese architecture. And the Port Vindaloo of Goa, it's awesome. The Gateway of India is also known as the Taj Mahal of Mumbai. And don't even think of missing the Vada Pav, the national dish of Mumbai. Tajul Masjid is the pride of Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. And Poha Jalebi, what a combo! You won't get this anywhere else. The Bahauddin's tomb is an architectural marvel of Junagadh. And try the spongy khaman dhokla once you're in this town. Hawa Mahal, or the Palace of Winds, is a must-see in Jaipur. And relish the spicy mirchi vada, the most loved street food of the city. The Golden Temple in Amritsar is the seat of Sikhism. And the chole and Amritsari naan, you will never get a better one anywhere else. The Dal Lake is known as the jewel in the crown of Kashmir. And you can get the best Kehwa tea of Kashmir in Srinagar. Back in New Delhi, don't miss the war memorial called India Gate. And while at India Gate, don't miss the famous Delhi Kulfi.
Wow, so delicious. Now you have to discuss with your parents and grandparents about the variety of food in India. Think about the rice cooked at home. What do we need to cook it? Raw rice and water. So easy. Only two materials are needed to prepare a dish. On the other hand, to prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on. What do you understand by the term ingredients? Materials needed to prepare a food dish are called ingredients. Let's find out the various ingredients of different food items. To make a chapati or roti, what do we need? Flour? Yes. A glass of water? Yes. Peas? No. Beans? No. Potato? No. Here we can see that we need only two ingredients. How many ingredients are needed to make dal? Raw pulses? Yes. A glass of water? Yes. Spices? Yes. Potato? No. Oil or ghee? Yes. Let's take another example. Ghee. So sweet. Yummy. What do we need to make it? Raw rice? Yes. Sugar? Yes. Peas? No. A glass of milk? Yes. Potato? No. Do you know where these ingredients come from? Let's find out. Flour is obtained from grains. We get grains from wheat plant. So we can say that flour is a plant product. Sugar. Sugar is obtained from sugar cane, and the source of sugar cane is a plant. Milk. We get milk from animals. Name the animals that provides us milk. Cow, goat, buffalo, camel. Please find out if there any other animal that provides us milk. Let's have an activity on the sources of ingredients. The name of activity is food items, ingredients and their sources. The first food item is idli. What will be the ingredients? Rice, dal, salt, water. Rice is obtained from a plant. Dal is also a plant product. Salt is obtained from sea water. Water is obtained from river or groundwater. The next food item is chicken curry. The ingredients are chicken, spices, oil or ghee, water. Chicken is obtained from animal. Plants gives us spices. Oil or ghee can be obtained from plants as well as animals. We will get water from various sources such as river or groundwater. Lastly, we have kheer. Food ingredients are milk, rice and sugar. As we have seen earlier, milk is an animal product. Rice is obtained from a plant. Sugar is also a plant product. What do we conclude from this activity? Let's find out. Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. Animals provides us milk, milk products, eggs and meat products. I have an interesting video to show you. Let's see together.
Let us learn about different food varieties and where all this food comes from. In the school you have seen that your classmates and friends get different type of food items in lunch. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. Can you tell what these food items are made of? Let us take the example of food that you had in the lunch. I ate boiled rice and rajma. Two materials, rice and water, are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. We take raw rice and boil it in water. But to make vegetables like rajma, many ingredients are required. To prepare rajma, we need raw rajma, onion, salt, spices and oil, etc. Similarly, to make rotis or chapatis, you need atta and water. For dal, ingredients are pulses, water, salt, oil and spices. To make sambar, you need arhar dal, water, salt, oil and spices. To make dosa, you need dosa. For dosa, ingredients are rice and urad dal. So we see that there are some ingredients common for different food items. Let us find out the sources of different food ingredients. The plants and animals are the main sources of our food. Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables and fruits. The Sources of our main food rice, wheat and maize are paddy, wheat and maize plants. These plants are grown in fields which give us grains. We get food like milk, milk products, butter, cream, cheese and curd, eggs, meat, chicken, fish, etc. from animals. Cows, goats and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. How are plant parts and animal products used as food? Plants are a major source of our food. A large part of what people eat is made up of plants or parts of plants. In fact, plants contain many of the nutrients that help us live healthy lives. We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants. Sometimes plant roots,
It's time for you to note down the key points in your notebook. What have we learnt today? There is lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India. Materials needed to prepare a food dish are called food ingredients. Sources of food ingredients are plants, animals. Time to note down your home assignment. Question number 1. Do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? Question number 2. Name the animals that provides us milk, eggs and meat products. Question number 3. Find the ingredients of at least 5 food items that you eat. Question number 4. Write down the various food products that we get from plants and animals. Thank you and have a nice day.